Okay, so we have now criminal motive. Define motive. Motive is the moving power that impels a person to do an act for a definite result. So, ano ang nakakapag-trigger sa isang tao para magawa or ma-achieve yung resulta na gusto niya? That is motive. Okay? So parang sa atin, ano ang motivation natin? Anong motivation mo? Bakit ka nag-criminology at why are you still holding on to your course? What's your moving power that impels you to achieve your goals as a criminology student? So the same way, in committing a crime as a criminal, what is the criminal's moving power? Okay, that moves him. Okay, kaya motive, moving. What moves him or her to do a crime for a particular result? If you will be asked the question, is motive essential in proving a crime? Importante ba ang motive para mapatunayan na guilty ang isang accused? Kailangan ba natin patunayan na ang motibo niya? No. Ang motibo ay hindi essential element sa isang krimen. Kasi kailangan mo lang sa pag-prove ng krimen ay ma-establish mo lahat ng elements ng crime. Okay? As defined in the law. So motive is not an element of a crime and thus it need not be proven. But are there instances when motive can be considered in proving a crime? Here's another question. So sabi ng law, yes. May mga sitwasyon na kailangan nating i-prove ang motive. These are the only exceptions. In any of the following, number 1, if there is doubt as to the identity of the culprit. So kung yung mga pulisya kayo, hindi kayo sigurado kung itong taong nahuli nyo ay siya ba talaga yung gumawa ng krimen. So may doubt as to the identity of the culprit sa pagkatao niya kaysa pagkatao ng culprit. Another is when there is doubt on whether the crime has been committed. So parang malabo na may crime ba na nakomit? In that case, kung may doubt, kung may crime ba talagang nakomit, you have to prove the motive. The next one, when there is doubt on whether the accused committed it, and evidence is circumstantial. So, meron bang doubt na yung nahuli mo, yung accused, siya ba talaga yung gumawa nun? Tsaka yung evidence, circumstantial lang, meaning hindi enough para ma-point na siya yung gumawa. Okay? If you will observe, laging when there is doubt, right? Pero iba-iba yung mga elements like doubt sa identity, doubt sa pag-commit ng crime, doubt sa kung may crime bang na-commit. Okay? So these are the only instances, class, when motive should be proven. Or which instances that makes motive, or instances that make motive important. Pero general rule, stick tayo sa general rule na hindi kailangan ng motive. Kailangan lang elements. Pero kung merong mga doubts, itong mga doubts na ito, prove please the motive. Anong kapag kakaiba ng motive and intent? Na-mention natin yung criminal intent, di ba? Motive is different from intent in that motive is your moving power that impels a person to do an act for a definite result, while intent is the purpose for which the felony must be committed. Are you following? Yung motive, yan yung trigger mo. Ano yung nakaka-move sa'yo? Yung intent, ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve? Okay, yung purpose mo. Sounds similar, but it's really different if you analyze it. Especially that motive is not an essential element of a crime. Thus, hindi kailangan i-prove ang motive sa prosecution. Ang intent naman, it is an essential element of a crime. Kaya, kailangang i-prove ang intent. Lalo na yung specific criminal intent as we mentioned.